Right, so this video assumes that you've already installed Visual Studio. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to be lazy here when I'm opening Visual Studio, and I'm going to click the Windows key on the keyboard, and I'm going to start typing Visual Studio until I see it coming up on there. You'll notice that it's highlighted here now, so all I have to do is press the Enter key on the keyboard, and it's going to open up. Now, my suggestion, that's your first real lesson in computer programming, be lazy. If you can only type 3 letters, type 3 letters and let the autocomplete take over from there, because it saves you time. So it's not being lazy as in not doing something, it's being lazy as in working efficiently. Right, so this is your basic setup, your basic startup page for Visual Studio. And to create a new project, all I'm going to do is click on, surprisingly enough, New Project. Now, when you're creating a project, make sure that it's Visual Basic that you're creating, because I think it defaults to C#, and if you start writing Visual Basic in C#, it's not going to work. You also want to make sure that you're creating a Windows program, and most of the stuff that we're going to be doing is going to be Windows Form applications. Now, the last thing you want to do before clicking OK is change the name of your project. In this case, we want to create a project called Hello World, and I'm going to click OK, and that's going to create the project for me. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Hopefully this happens quickly. Okay, there we go. And so now I know I can see that the project is created. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save All. And I'm going to make sure that my location is the workspace that I want to be in. So as you can see, there's my OneDrive or my H drive to 2017 workspace. So that's where you would, in the last video, you set up your workspace. So navigate to that workspace and select that folder and click Save. And you're done.